I'm working on this clip right here. And got it in the vise. I don't even want to put too much pressure on it. But I think this might be a little bit more sufficient to get it up on this cable right here. So that was, the cable was damn blocking. So what happens, this is sitting underneath the tractor. So it'd be facing like this. It'd be facing like this in the tractor. You know, it's supposed to come up. It's supposed to come up. It's supposed to ride like that. And you're able to slide the clip in. So I might be able to get that clip on. It still looks like it's a little bit bent on this one side that's blocking it from coming over. Otherwise it looks kind of straight. But John Deere, I said, they don't give you no room. They compact everything into one little general area. Me personally, I like the red machines. I have more. We have plenty of them. We use the John Deere for the loader function because red really don't have a very good loader function for anything. And these are equipped like, I've seen the red with the add-on loaders that you put on a machine. John Deere, basically, we just have loader tractors with John Deere because they are more functional what we do, like scooping silage and other hard work. This tractor is probably 15, 20 years old now. It's got a lot of blow-by, so maybe not this winter, but next winter we might pull it offline and I'll rebuild the engine, do all the piston rings and sleeves, because she still runs. I had the opportunity to do the starter not too long ago, brand new one in there. And if anyone ever did a starter on a 6410 or any John Deere, they have bolts where you really cannot even get to them. So you have to remove this whole front frame of the tractor. And I got to it, because you can't fit your hand between the frame. I got to it with these right here. These were my savior. That's the only way. Big long extension, and put these on, and just little by little to tighten them up. So I'm gonna try to get this piece back on, see if it works. The thing, if I could put my hand kind of cramped up, trying to fit it between there, and we'll see if we can get this. I can get this tractor back online. We had to wait over 2 weeks for the cable. They're obviously on back order, and obviously you have to get them from Germany. Go figure. But I'm gonna definitely try to get this tractor back online. And like I said, it'll sit up in the tractor. And I just have to have enough room to get that clip on. Which I do. What's wrong, girl? Huh? What are you doing, huh? I think she's in heat. The male cat is chasing her around somewhere. You hot in your butt? Hey. You hot in the butt? Huh? You gonna leave me alone? Huh? Yeah. Alright, and then I'll get back and see how if it works. I said we have to wait for a starter for this, the chopper. I'm gonna pressure wash it. Once we get it started back up, I'm gonna bring it out, pressure wash everything down. The wear plates are in there, so we'll get all that. And like I said, I'm gonna work on that chute sometime in a week. I got a couple more projects and a little bit of animal work to do. This week I got vaccination and bag burning and vaccinating a whole bunch of heifers, calves, to bring over to the other farm. I'm sorry for the mess, but it's kind of the nastiest weather out here, and waiting on parts, you just kind of like can't clean nothing up till you get everything put back and moved out of the shop to spray it down. And I'll get back to you as soon as I try to put this back together. I still have no idea how I'm going to do it, but I'm figuring it out as we're going along, and I definitely did not want to lift the cab up in this monster. And I'll get back with everybody.